Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you what board button is on Trello. So I'm just going to explain to you what the board is in Trello. So the first step is to go to Trello website. So the Trello is a task management website. So over here what you have to do is first log into your account, and once you have logged into your account you can see this is our workspace, and here you can see the board button. So what you can do is here you can create multiple boards, and let's create some boards. So over here you can see there are boards template already ready made. So this is project management, and here you can see remote team hub as well. So here it's just a management software. So what you can do is just click on one template and click on okay, got it. All right, so here this is our board. So this is our example board. So what you can do is just click on create board from template, and I'm just going to do this, and our board is ready. So yeah, this is our board. So what you can see here is this is our project resources, and here you can see the questions for next meeting and to-do list as well, pending and blocked as well, and here you can see the done list as well. So here this is just how the workflow is on Trello. So by the help of the board you can just manage your workflow and make sure your work is going well, and you can just add another list over here as well. So you can add another list, you can add some cards in the list, so you can just manage that with the help of Trello board. So that's basically what Trello board is. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.